Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect and analyze the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of culinary delights with a focus on Shan fried fish seasoning mix.
If you're a seafood enthusiast or simply looking to spice up your meals, this might be the perfect addition to your pantry.
Let's explore what makes this seasoning mix stand out. First off, let's talk about the basics.
The Shan fried fish seasoning mix comes in convenient spice packets, making it incredibly easy to use.
With each pack containing 50 grams of flavorful spices, you can effortlessly prepare delicious fried fish without the hassle of gathering various masalas.
One of the standout features of this product is its simplicity.
Gone are the days of juggling multiple spices and herbs to achieve the perfect flavor. With Shan fried fish seasoning mix, all the ingredients and instructions are conveniently listed on the packaging. It's a foolproof way to ensure your fried fish turns out just right every time. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: quality.
Shan Foods, the company behind this seasoning mix, takes pride in its commitment to delivering top-notch products. Each packet is carefully packaged under the strictest hygienic conditions, adhering to international quality standards.
So you can trust that you're getting nothing but the best for your culinary creations. But wait, there's more.
Here's a bonus tip for you. Pair your perfectly seasoned fried fish with creamy tartar sauce for an extra burst of flavor.
Trust me, your taste buds will thank you later. Now, let's get down to business.
How exactly do you use Shan fried fish seasoning mix?
It's simple.
Just mix garlic paste, the seasoning mix, and a tablespoon of oil, then apply it to your fish. Let it marinate for a couple of hours, then fry it up until it's lightly golden.
Serve it with a sprinkle of Shan chopped masala and a squeeze of lime juice for a truly mouth-watering experience. And there you have it, folks. Shan fried fish seasoning mix is your ticket to flavorful, fuss-free fried fish.
Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, this product is sure to elevate your cooking game. So why wait? Grab a pack today and embark on a culinary journey like never before.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Until next time, happy cooking!